Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to write vertical text in Microsoft Excel. So to type vertical text, firstly merge cells as your requirement and as size of your text. So I need these lines. Now click on merge and center. Now paste your text here. Now select it and select another key. Now select again and here select vertical text, make it center. Also here are some more options like this. Rotate text up, rotate text down and clockwise. And vertical text. So here select center and wrap the text. Format cell alignment. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not.